making another Eritrean and Ethiopian dish called. Now Kitfo is just mixed up beef that's cooked with very special spices that's exclusive to the eastern side. So here is what you'll need. You'll need 2 teaspoons of meat for it, 2 teaspoons of mita, and a little bit of karima. Karima is like a special spice that you can find in like Eritrean and Ethiopian stores, like the little restaurants. And that's it grinded up. So once we finish mixing up the meat, we will come back. But before that, usually we do it with our hands. But instead, we're gonna use a fork because we don't want our hands to be messy. So just stir it up, add a little bit more of karima, and then just stir it up until it's well blended with the meat. Oh yeah, you also need salt. Just plain old salt. Just a teaspoon of that. Actually 2. Alright, so now we will need a little bit of seasoned butter. This is the same butter we used last episode with the tipsy. That's just the same butter with seasonings. So we'll just wait for that to melt down, and then we'll add the meat. So once you melt down your butter, you will add your kitfo meat and then put it to the lowest heating setting, and then it'll take a little bit to cook. But you can either heat it up or like or You also have to make sure the butter's all the way melted before you put it on the lowest setting, or else it Alright, and now it's done, so we'll just put it in a bowl for now. You can also put serrano chilies on it, just to make it decorating. And this is how you serve it. You see we have some injera bread, and then this is how you eat it. Grab a little piece, and then you grab some kitfo, and then you put a green pepper on it, and then dip. That's good. If you guys need the recipe, it'll be in the description below. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe for more. Thank you. Goodbye.